Hi hair besties, welcome back to Zama Hair Studio, where we can turn every strand into a sleigh. Today I've got something super cute, something super easy to do. As you can see, it's a simple protective hairstyle. If you are new here, just hit that subscribe button and join the family. Alright guys, so just sit tight, grab your comb, and let's get this hairstyle served.
Zama Hair Studio.
Okay hair besties, let's get started with this hair tutorial. So as you can see, we are starting at the back already. At the front I've just sectioned my hair. So what you have to do, just apply your hair with a holding gel, just small amount, small quantity of holding gel. And then we are doing this, they call it banana in, alright, so just stay tuned and just take a look at what I'm doing here, and let's get this tutorial done. So yeah guys, if you're going to do this hair tutorial, if you're going to do this protective, nice, beautiful hairstyle, just let me know in the comment section. How did it go? Was it easy? Was it challenging? Just let me know in the comment section. Let's just talk guys. Let's just have that small chat in the comment section. So alright guys, just take a look and get into the tutorial. Let's do this guys. Let's look beautiful. Hair besties, please don't make it too tight to avoid hair headaches. Take it easy and slowly. Enjoy. Take your time. So that's what we have at the back. Can you see how cute and beautiful it is? Alright, let's go to the front. So as you can see at the front, I already sectioned my hair into 3 guys. As you can see, can you see that? We are done with the back, and then at the front, section your hair into 3, and then let's get started. So we start on the sides. Make sure you apply your holding gel, and then we are doing one big line of cornrow. Just add small quantity of hairpiece of braid hair, just small guys, just to make it strong and look nice and look neat. So at the sides we are doing the same. Then at the center, just stay tuned guys, you see what you're going to do. So if you have watched this video until this far and you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe, pause this video and subscribe and like the video. Please kindly subscribe and like the video guys, I would really appreciate. I'm so happy guys, it's coming out nicely, it's coming out the way I wanted. It is very nice and neat guys. What do you think? So alright guys, let's continue doing this beautiful look, and let's see the outcome of this hairstyle. Alright guys, so we do the same on the other side. You just apply your holding gel, just plait your nice cornrow line, adding the small quantity of hairpiece to make it look nice, neat, beautiful and perfect. Alright, and then after that we jump into the center portion where we are going to add our hot curly hairpiece, guys. Just stay tuned and see what you're about to do. You're about to rock this hairstyle, guys. You're about to rock this look. So how are you feeling, guys? So far so good. Is this challenging? Is it easy? Just let me know in the comment section what do you think about this hair tutorial. So as you can see, we are starting with our simple straight cornrow lines because we're about to sew in our hairpiece at the center. So just push, guys. Let's just do this. Remember, don't make it too tight. I don't know why, especially when you're doing your own hair, you find out the lines are too painful. Just imagine you are the one plaiting your own hair and your lines, they'll be too painful. So wow. So that's the hairpiece that I'm going to use, hot curl. The name of the hairpiece is called hot curl. So what you're about to do now, we're about to sew in that hairpiece in that part, the center. As you saw before, I started sewing in my hairpiece, I did moisturize my hair. That is very important. Make sure you moisturize your hair before you do any sew in or do anything on your hair, so that your hair won't be too dry, ne? Yes, you must make sure your hair is moisturized, healthy, nice, perfect. All right. So we are doing the sew in here, guys. I love this hairpiece. The curls are giving. You see this hot curl, yo, it's giving, guys. The perfect hairpiece. I love it so much. Yo. So yeah, I hope you are doing the same, guys, wherever you are. Please let me know which country or which city you are watching me from, and please let me know if you have tried this hair tutorial. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Let's engage, guys, in the comment section. Let's just talk in the comment section. Then we are done. Voila, our final look. Final look, guys. How do I look? How do you rate this hairstyle? My hair besties, let me know in the comment section what you think about this hairstyle. Let me know in the comment section. Did I rock it? Please rate it a 10 out of 10. Let me know what you think. What do you say? Oh my goodness, I look so beautiful. I look nice. All right, guys, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys soon on my next. Before you close, make sure you subscribe and like and share this video. Please comment, like, share and subscribe. Support your girl. Let this channel grow. All right. Okay, guys, see you soon on my next.